Hi guys, so here we got this from FirstCry Intellitots. So INC is now a toddler, is going to preschool, and FirstCry gave this kit for preschool kid, all the activities. Let's see, let's unbox this. And we did the labeling here already. So what is that inside? Oh wow, he got the ID card, and we put a photo here, his name and details. This is the ID card he got. This is his portfolio cover. This is all gardens and all stuff. This is the slate to write down. This is the file to keep his work stuff. One activity workbook, math workbook, passports, so many, all these activities here. And this is English. This is big one, the portfolio book. And then he got one drawing book and one more for coloring. And finally got some toys here, some crayons and for coloring. Here some more toys. And he got one medal. Like on the graduation day he'll get it, I think, once he complete a year. And this is his box. This is the crayons. This is the ID card. That's all guys. So we got some bands, rubber band here, like all the affirmation. So this is all in his first kit book. Thank you.